We're going to try to learn how to make a Chinese knot. So what you need is a piece of paper, long and skinny, okay? Works better if the skinnier, I think. And you're going to fold it vertically, all right? And you're going to meet the halves, all right, from end to end. And you're going to crease that paper so it's a nice good fold there. All right, then you're going to take a short leg and you're going to fold it down like a small triangle, okay? And then you're going to take the longer leg and you're going to fold it back so that now our paper looks like this. The next step is then to take this longer leg and wrap it. So now we almost make a box with our paper. And then the last tip is to tuck this on the opposite side. And there's our Chinese knot. Way cool. You could put all kinds of secret messages in them. Words, promises, resolutions, fun stuff to know. All right, so there you go. Chinese New Year's around the corner. And I hope you have some fun making some Chinese knots. Thank you.